So I love that today we're going to be focusing on flowers.
Yes, spring is here, and flowers are such a great way to bring joy into the everyday. So first, we're going to start with this little way to bring flowers to somebody if you're coming to their house as a gift, a simple decor element.
So sweet.
And this is a little handbag. I know that you did something similar in your Moxie pop-up recently.
We hung bags from the trees. Look, here's a picture of it. We hung our bags, those are my handbags, in the trees. My friend Antonio did those beautiful designs with the flowers spilling out of the buckets. Oh, it was so fun.
So pretty.
It was so fun. So did we start with a little oasis?
What we're going to do is get a floral block. You can get this at a local craft store or a floral supply store. We're going to put it in a Ziploc bag because we don't want to put flowers and water right into this bag.
You have to line it.
Exactly. So this is our liner. And then we're going to put it in here, into the bag.
So clever.
We're going to pour a little bit of water in here to get that floral block nice and damp. And this is going to help keep the flowers fresh for a few days. Then we're going to tuck that bag in so we can't see it. And then from here, all we're going to do is trim the flowers down and put them in. What the flower foam does, it helps to guide it. It gives it a place because, look, now all of a sudden it's sticking up.
It sits perfect
Exactly.
in there.
And you keep adding a few more and a few more until it's nice and
it's
full.
very forgiving, right? Like,
exactly.
And then you can play with it a little more.
And then
bring these up.
It looks like this. Okay,
this is fun. What are we doing here?
You're having people over for brunch or you're having a party. Here's a great way to bring decor into a space, into your home. Maybe it's by the buffet where the food is, or maybe use it as a fun photo booth backdrop. So this is just a piece of foam core you can get at a craft supply store. And then we're going to use honeycomb balls, which you can get online really easily. They come in a ton of colors.
They're so fun already.
A ton of shapes and sizes. We're going to use these. You spread them open halfway, and then you're going to place them on the foam core in various spots. You see we have a few right here. You're going to use double-sided tape to stick them down.
Oh, I love double-sided tape.
It's my best friend. It's so easy to use. There we go. Stick those down. And
delightful.
We have some faux garland here. This is going to add a little bit of greenery and it's going to fill in all of this space. So we're just going to place this around the honeycomb. And then what we're going to do is poke a hole sort of near an area around the garland on the other two sides of them, and then we're going to use wire.
Okay.
And the wire is going to help fasten it in. Exactly.
Gotcha.
So you're going to put those through the two holes, and then in the back, you're just going to tie that off. And then once that is all full, we can add a message to it. So you could keep it plain. Also, before that, we're going to add some flowers. So these are some fresh flowers. We're going to add
fresh flowers
here
among the faux stuff.
It adds another level of dimension,
and it makes the plastic ones look less fake.
Exactly. Right? And then we're going to top it off with a message. So you could, if it's a baby shower, it could say, "Hey baby."
Oh,
if it's a birthday, you could say, "Happy birthday." We're going to do a general party and say, "Let's party." So these are cut out letters. I love gold. I love shiny things. So we're going to add that on top. And what you can do is you can use double-sided tape.
Oh, more double-sided tape.
More double-sided tape. You could also use glue gun, but I like double-sided tape when possible.
Me too. It's easier.
Safer, easier.
And it's easier.
Exactly.
And you don't glue your fingers together. Yeah.
And then...
Oh, wow, it's so cute. Look.
Here we go.
Yay! The party. That is brilliant. Really cute. Really cute.
Okay, now, when I was a kid, I remember doing this project where I would add food coloring to vases, put carnations in them, and it would soak up the color. This is a more sophisticated version of that.
It dyes the flower itself, right?
But this, in this case, we're not trying to dye the flowers. We're just trying to make a really beautiful floral display. We're just going to add a little bit of food coloring to make a more pastel version of that.
Just a little drop?
Just a drop.
Oh,
and then you
is
can
that
use
too much?
the skewer. That's great. Exactly. So you see how it makes a lovely light color.
Beautiful.
And then, so you see we have a pastel rainbow right here, pink, yellow, blue.
This
and
is so
these
easy
are
and so elegant, right?
Exactly. Ranunculus. We're going to add those in there.
Love. And do one down here. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm just going to add to your
beautiful
here, your landscape of flowers.
Beautiful.
Do you have any more cool tips for us?
We have one more. If you have a picture or a photo that you love, you can print it out and you can add faux flowers to it to make it dimensional wall art.
That's so cool!